Valentino today on Kababayan LA. He used to be broke, homeless, and all that, down on his luck, but now he has an album launching. When is this launching and where?
It will be launched September 18th and 19th at the 25th Philippine American Exposition at the Los Angeles Convention Center, put together by Radio Manila and the Trimedia Group of Companies.
Is that a free show, or we need to get tickets for that?
No, there's. I believe there is a charge at the door. Entrance fee. I'm not sure exactly how much it is.
But the show itself is.
But the show is free. Yeah, and it's fun. It's fun for everybody. There's going to be hundreds of booths, business booths, and lots of entertainment, and of course some food.
Lots of freebies also.
Yes, absolutely.
Booths usually give away stuff. Yeah.
Absolutely.
This is the CD. It's called City of Angels. It has 12 tracks and 6 English, 6 Tagalog. One of the Tagalog songs you're going to sing for us today. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Tell us about the Dalagang Pilipina.
Dalagang Pilipina, of course. Yeah, that's a traditional Tagalog song that was written in 1928 by that's old. It's 82 years old. Written by Jose G. Santos and also Jose Corazon de Jesus.
So parang kundiman na kundiman siya talaga.
Absolutely.
And how did you change it?
Well,
to make it more modern.
The traditional and the most popular version to date was recorded by Ruben Tagalog back in the 50s, of course. And
50s pa din, matagal pa rin yun.
Oh yeah, back in the 50s, and he recorded that also under Villar Records, which is the record company that represents the album right now.
All right, okay.
And so I have a new version, if you will, and the arranger is a very talented young man. His name is Yong Nalasa, and he's here, Filipino arranger. And so it's more of an up-tempo or mid-tempo, I would say. You can even do it for a ballroom dance type.
Really?
Absolutely.
Wow, now I'm intrigued. We should take a listen. Well, thank you so much. Congratulations on our album launch.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yeah, and next time come back and sing more songs for us, all right?
Absolutely.
Roland Valentino, our Kababayan performer for today. I'll leave you with his song, Dalagang Pilipina. Ako naman po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. I'll see you again tomorrow.
Ang dalagang Pilipina, parang tala sa umaga. Kung tanawin ay nakaliligaya, may minatay
What is iWatch?
It's a way to report suspicious behavior
or activity that relates to terrorism.
Terrorism